All right, today we're gonna bring a car wash gun, and this one comes with a couple accessories, one battery, if you guys can see. All right, one battery, charging station for the battery. They have different attachments because I'm gonna show you a couple things that you can do. They have the filter because you can put this into a bucket if you want to take it to go mobile, or you can connect it directly to a water hose, a base so you can actually set up your soap in here. Instructions how to do the whole thing step by step. All right, they give you the instructions. A long-lasting battery, enough for at least 2 cars you can do. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together and see how it works. All right, we're filling this up. See, guys, put the filter in there. The only thing that doesn't have a clip on, all right, so it might float a little bit, but let it sink up and then start adding the water. Let it pump some water. All right, so once we finish rinsing the whole thing, all you got to do is make sure you leave this on. There it goes, and there it goes. So we're gonna put soap now on the whole car. All right, overall, this thing, I was able to do it with one bucket, completely clean the car, even rinsed it at the same time after. So one of the things I did find an issue was that the filter needs to be all the way in the bottom. So maybe put some weight on it and the pressure is going to kick in as soon as you do that. So without the actual weight on the actual filter, you're not going to be able to suck a lot of water in there. So in order to make it work powerful, very strong, you need to sunk it all the way to the bottom. But overall, perfect for your next car wash